This video I'm going to show you how to repair a broken nail using a fiberglass silk overlay. I start by cutting off the amount of fiberglass that I'm going to need to cover the nail. After you've cut it, lay it over the nail to make sure you've got the right size. Then shape it so it's going to fit the nail perfectly by rounding off the corners on one end. Prepare the natural nail by removing the cuticle and gently buffing over the surface of the nail to remove the natural shine. Now the nail is prepared, I'll start by applying some resin directly over the break in the nail. I'm using a self-curing resin, so that means you won't have to spray any activator over the surface after it has been applied. I will then start by snipping off a small amount of the fiberglass ribbon and applying that directly over the break. This will cause a reinforcement layer before I apply fiberglass to the entire nail. Avoid touching the fiberglass with your fingers, as this could cause oil transfer and stop the fiberglass from bonding correctly. I'm now applying another layer of resin across the entire surface of the nail. I will now apply the fiberglass over the entire surface of the nail. It can be tricky to peel off the backing paper, so take your time and make sure you don't crease it, otherwise it won't sit flat on the nail. Apply another layer of resin over the fiberglass, making sure that you fully saturate the fiberglass until it turns translucent. Make sure that the edges of the fiberglass is fully bonded and stuck down around the edge of the nail. This will prevent lifting later on. After the resin has set, that's when I like to trim off the excess fiberglass. Finally, apply another layer of resin across the entire surface of the nail, including the free edge, and don't forget to tidy up around the edges. Finally, buff over the surface of the nail. You can buff it to a shine or leave it matte as I'm doing, as I'm now going to apply a gel polish. I find the best finish you can get is by applying a gel polish over the top and curing it in the UV lamp for 2 minutes. This will add an extra strength to the break as well. My nail is all fixed. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can continue watching more of my nail tutorials.